Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can attack your friends in Monopoly Go. Well, basically, you just have to play Monopoly Go and you just need to wait until you landed on a shutdown board. So if you're going to tap on Go button, and here as you can see, we're going to play on this one. And once you landed on the shutdown, as you can see here, you have now a chance to attack someone. But basically, if you want to attack a specific friend on Monopoly Go, you just have to tap on the switch opponent right here at the bottom. And here you have to tab here on revenge. You can find all the accounts that targeted you. For example, here on Lovey Dovey targeted you 11 hours ago. So you can just tap on go to revenge right from here. But if you want to attack your friends, basically go to your friends right from here, and as you can see, you'll find some of your friends targeted you 7 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1 time. So if you're going to select any of your friends here, just need to tap on the go button. So for example, just want to tap on the first one. So if I'm going to attack this building here, as you can see, so I have won 749,000 Monopoly Go money. So yeah, that's all. That's how you basically attack your friends. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.